Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Ajit, and we have discussed product insights in our first session, where we covered basic features of creating a agent, how to name it, have description, and then giving instructions and uploading the documents in the knowledge base. And we have discussed on the product insights, actions. So today we will going to cover the second flow, which is shortage and issue intelligence. And the objective here is to detect and cluster product shortage issues uh, with the different sources, the type of issues, and the cost for it, and group records by unique combinations between source, type, and cause to analyze volume and pattern of issues. And then we'll see the result from AI to discuss on recurring issues or the escalating product shortage trends for a proactive resolution. So I'll just straight away go to the Power Automate, and I'll discuss here on the steps which we have. And initially, I'll run the test here in the Power Automate to show at every level how the output looks like. And I'll show the final result in the Teams. Yeah, so I'll start a flow with when an agent calls the flow, where I'm giving VMP as an input and a list rows. This is where I've connected Power Apps tables to retrieve the data. And I have the step where I'm just composing the input. So I've included this particular action select. This see, the name can be changed, anything. So just to ensure what kind of action which I'm selecting, I'm just keeping it as select as an action and flatten data. If you see here, I'm collecting all of this data into this particular step, where issue cause, issue type, issue source, price, price type, price source, and a period and a product type. Yeah. And I'm selecting another select issue, and I'm concatenating all of this different issue source, cause type, and for the issue and the price. Yeah. So, and then I'm composing it. Here I'm using an action of expression of union to compose the result from the issue key. And I'm initializing a variable issue insights where all of the details will be captured. So in the product insights, I didn't use this particular action. So now we need this action to be used because there are multiple combinations of details. For that, I'm using this particular action, apply to each. I'm just passing so the result from unique issue case from here, and then I'm filtering it out. If you see here, I'm filtering all of this. This is the expression where different type, cause, and source. I'm just filtering it out, and I'm putting a condition. If it is true, then I'm using this expression to collect all the details, yeah, of issue, cause, and group. Yeah. Here with multiple combination, you will I'll show you when I run that particular results, and then I'm using append to array. I'm just calling this variable issue insights, and then the result from compose issue intelligence. I'm just having it here. I'm appending it. Then I'm calling an AI model here, which is the Summaries. So this is quite important. You need to be specific while passing the instructions here. So I'm just mentioning it as you as a pharma supply intelligence intelligence analyst. So you just need to highlight the most concerning issues or escalating trends or potential action. So this can be changed based on the requirement. If the business, if the company needs to be specific, what kind of details, what kind of input is needed from AI. So you can modify this accordingly and then have the expression. Then I'm having an approval, and then I'm composing all of these results from AI and initializing it. I'm having one more action here, apply to each from the issue insights, and then appending it to this kind of details, which means your result will have your VMP, name, issue cost, type, source. Yeah. So all of the details will be captured here, and I'm just composing everything from here to collected insights as a header and AI insight as another section here. And I'm responding to the agent. So I'll just click on test and then use one of the recent example which I have checked. So I'll just publish and test. I'll show the result at every stage, how it looks like. So I need to approve it now. So it has been approved. So if you see, it takes some time to get all the details here. So I'll just go back to post BMP input. So here you can see the inputs and the outputs from here. Flattened data. If you click on this and then click on output data, it shows the complete, means how you have formulated your actions. It will show all of the details. So here, if you see here, now there are 5 different combinations here, right? For the first combination, if you click on this, it will show the output as one particular combination has been selected. Now, if I click on second, again, it will show another set of combination. Yeah, this is another set of combination. So similarly, you can check for all the 5. Now, it has been predicted here from an AI. So this is the parameter. I'll show the final result here, how it looks like, right? So if I click on the output, it shows all the details. It is better if I test this out from Teams. So I'll just use the Teams to show the exact result. I'll just click on edit. Okay, so I've opened my agent now. So I'll just say hello. So it gives me an option, multiple options of what needs to be checked. So now we are focusing on shortage and issue intelligence. So I'll click on that. It will ask me to pass the values here. So I'll just pass that information. So it asked me to activate the connection manager. So whenever you publish, it goes into stale state. So you just need to review and approve. So I've submitted this. So I'll now go back and then just click on retry. Okay, I got the approval. Approve it. So now if you see, it has collected shortage and issue insight. It shows the details, what kind of issues that we have, different source. This is one price type, and we have another price type here. This is another price type. So it gives all that information, and it also shows number of occurrences here. So this particular issue, along with the price, we had 63 occurrences. It shows 17 occurrences, 142 occurrences. So based on all of this, AI will going to look into all of the details, and it says focuses on related to manufacturing issues. It will identify what kind of issues exist for this particular medicine, and it gives data includes different price store types. It also gives the volumes here. So it also addresses the key points here. Recurring issue is manufacturing related shortages. Largest volume spike is in quotation for wholesalers. So all issues are officially reported by government bodies. So it summarizes everything. And if you want to further check and feed the data to AI and ask any questions, let us just check it out. Can I avoid having these issues identified in the future? So just quoting this, what's in this issue identified, and I'll just say send. Okay, it says escalating to a representative is not currently configured for this agent. So we need to do some more checks or actions to retrieve all the data. Maybe what I can do is if I just copy this and then could you please suggest or advise on these key points. So your Copilot will going to search your prompt engineering, how it has been set, and also it looks into the documents which you have uploaded in your knowledge base, and based on that, it retrieves a response, significant supply concerns. You can follow these steps: identify the cause of the spike, analyze price trends, monitor supply chain alerts, verify data currency, engage with stakeholders, implement mitigation strategies. It also gives the reference. So it is looking into your company policies here and then retrieving the data. Yeah. So I see these details which has been generated is good enough to further analyze on this. I'll just click a like button, and yeah. So this is the issue and intelligence. So in the next session, hope you liked the presentation, and I feel it is quite useful for analyst or research analyst who is much more involved on market analysis or how it has to be, strategy needs to be set. So these inputs are quite helpful. And yeah, if you like my presentation, please put me your comments, and if anything else need to be checked, I will try to create another objective and then try to develop that. Yeah, that's it for now on the shortage at issue intelligence. In the next session, we will cover price type and source differentiation, and the objective will be price intelligence based on price type, and means I'll be just considering the price type and source, and price setting behaviors, and there to detect anomalies and provide detailed breakdown of highlight market dependency and source impact. So this will be my third session. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks a lot. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.